Hey, this is Brad with lookmold.com, and let me ask you a question. Have you ever had a reoccurring black mass arrive in your bathroom, specifically in your shower? If you don't know what I'm talking about bathroom mold. And no matter how many times you scrub it, no matter how many times you clean it, it keeps coming back. Well, good news. In this video, I'm not only going to tell you exactly what that mold is and how it got there, I'm going to show you the process that you can use to get rid of that mold and keep your bathroom mold free. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you how you can learn what I did to my bathroom 6 months ago and haven't had to clean it for mold since. You have two types of bathroom mold. You have normal bathroom mold, and then you have problem bathroom mold. Let's talk about problem bathroom mold. Problem bathroom mold gets there just like it gets to any other area of the house. It's due to some kind of leak issue, whether it be the toilet, the sink, or the actual shower itself. This type of mold is using your walls, the vanity, whatever building material is in the area as a food source. It needs to be dealt with. It's a problem, and it can cause problems to your health. Depending on how bad it is, you may need a mold remediation specialist to remove it for you. Now, normal bathroom mold is what you see here. It's generally black, pink, green, or sometimes other colors, and it'll accumulate in your shower. But how does it get there? You see, mold loves hot, humid places. And what better place than the shower, correct? You may also see mold growing on the surface of the ceiling above the shower. Now, this is generally due to poor ventilation. Usually, this type of mold is cosmetic, and you can generally clean it by yourself. So I'm going to walk you through the process, how you can clean it. Step 1. Get hydrogen peroxide and mix it with water in a spray bottle. Step 2. Spray the affected areas of the grout with the liquid and let it sit there for about 2 to 5 minutes. Step 3. Scrub the area with a bristled brush. Now, you would think this would be sufficient enough in itself, but no, we're going to hit this with a 1-2 punch. Step 4. Get yourself white distilled vinegar, a cup, and paper towels. Step 5. Roll the paper towels up just like you see here. Place the vinegar-soaked paper towel on the affected areas of grout. Push it in very tight, make it flush, and let it sit there for about 30 minutes to an hour. White distilled vinegar is a mild acid that kills both mold and bacteria. Now, some of what you're seeing, especially the pink stuff, is actually bacteria and not mold itself. Now, that is how you effectively get rid of mold in your bathroom. But I want to reveal to you exactly what I did about 6 months ago and how I never had mold come back since. Now, it's actually quite simple because I didn't do anything special. I just used a new, different formula. I want to reveal to you this formula that I used 6 months ago. All you have to do is click the link below and you will get my special checklist to make sure mold never comes back in your bathroom. This is how you can effectively clean the bathroom. Thank you for watching the video, and please go to lookmold.com for more information on mold.